Yes. What's going on, guys? Day Trading Addict here, and today we have a great video because I'm going to show you how to trade the US30 using supply and demand like a boss. So let's get to it. Now, before I get to the charts, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, especially if you don't know who I am. If you're into trading in general, okay, what I do is I help struggling traders, I help advanced traders to get to that next level. Okay, so if that's something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button and hit those likes. Okay, so let's go to the charts now. Let's talk about supply and demand. Okay, what is supply and demand and why do you want to use it? Now, supply and demand is very simple, guys. It's just when the big players are coming in the market. It's just plain and simple. That's it. Okay, you want to see when the big dogs, because we retailers, we don't move the market, right? The banks move the market. These hedge funds, they move the market, right? These billion-dollar players, they move the market. So we need to follow them. Okay, so the best way to look, okay, for supply and demand is when the market is going down a lot. Okay, now right here, what we see right here, guys, is multiple candles. That's what we want to see. We got red here, red here, red here, red here. We see how much selling is going on right here, guys. Okay, again, red here, red here, red here. Look how much selling is going on, guys. So this right here, guys, we know for a fact this is not retailers. These are the guys that control the market. Now, the way we are going to basically make money from this is we want to follow this the smart money. Okay, now when you see a big move like that, it's a strong possibility that, guess what, it's a strong possibility that it will continue to go down in the same direction. Okay, now if the market was going up strong, okay, we see green candle, green candle, green candle, guess what, there's a strong possibility if it comes back to where price started, we will continue to go back higher. Now let me show you how to draw the zones. Now, it's a couple ways you can actually draw the zone, but me personally, I like to use the candle. So this is the candle that started everything. So you see the high of this candle all the way to the low, pretty much that started everything. So what we're going to do is mark that candle real quick. So we're going to take the high and take the low of the candle, okay, and then we're going to stretch it over here. So it's the high of the candle and the low of this candle right here, and then we're going to draw that big zone right here. And now we're going to go to our 5-minute chart. Okay, so we started with the 15-minute chart. Now we're going to drop down to the 5-minute chart. Now if you guys are not used to this is the because I'm quite sure you guys see a lot of people using TradingView. This is the futures market right here, right in front of you. This is US30. We call it the Dow. Okay, and basically it's the same market. I'm just trading a different platform. Okay, I do trade Forex too, but I also trade the futures market too. So let's get to it. And right now we are looking at the 5-minute chart. You want to start with the 15-minute chart, look for your supply and demand zone, and drop back down to the 5-minute, so you can get a better entry. Okay, now we are looking at the market right here. Okay, you see how when it came back to the zone, we got rejection. Now there's a couple ways I actually enter the market, and I'm going to show you these ways. Now you can use whatever way you want. Okay, if you are a beginner, I tell you this, please don't go in head first, meaning as soon as you see the zone or price hit the zone, don't just press sell. Okay, or vice versa. If the market is going up, don't press buy when it hits the zone. Just wait for some confirmation first. Okay, and then when you get used to this stuff and get used to the market, then you can actually go in, without any confirmation. But right now, confirmation is very good. I use confirmation a lot of times, so don't worry about confirmation. Now, what I like to use, guys, is I like to use multiple confirmation. So we have a nice little tell bar right here, right? You see the market shot up, gave you a nice little tell. This bar alone, a lot of times, is not good enough. Okay, but like I said, you can use whatever entry you want. I'm going to show you guys what to use, what I like to use. I like to use maybe a double top. So notice how we had a high right here. It came back, it tried to test this high, but guess what? Okay, this high is lower than this high. That simply means that the market tried to make a new high, but it can't, meaning that it's probably so weak that it can't even create a new high. So I like to get in maybe at this candle right here, okay, and go for a target maybe to the lows, okay. And another way I like to get in, okay, that's the first way. Another way I like to get in is a trend line break, okay. Very simple. You wait for the market to break the trend line, and then you wait for your profits to come in, okay. So let me show you the second setup. The second setup, we went right back to the zone, guys. Remember, now we have a nice little pin bar right here, but like I said before, me personally, I like multiple confirmations. If I don't have a multiple confirmation, right, if I don't see one, what I'm going to use is probably a trend line break. Guess what? Boom, you got this trend line break, and voila, you got your profits. Now I want you to just notice something, guys. Look how the market went all the way back to the lows, right? But it didn't break it didn't create a new low. So a couple of things. First thing you should notice is that this is the second try, okay. This is the second test of the zone, okay. So maybe you're going to lose some steam, okay, but at the same time, a lot of times the market will go back 90% of the move, all right, 90% of the low right here, and then bounce right back up. So what you can do is probably either take half off or get out at 90% of the lows, and then, you know, call it a day. Now let's look at some more examples so I can show you guys how to trade this market like a boss. If you look at this right here, this is a good example right here too. Notice how we have a lot of selling like this. This is a nice zone right here. Nice zone. Let me show you real quick. So a couple of ways, like I said, a couple of ways. If I see a tiny candle like this, sometimes I'll just use this low right here, this swing low right here, and just have it drag it like this. Okay, now notice how we came back into this right here. We see multiple rejections right here. So I probably wouldn't get on the first one, but the second one is pretty decent. And also what we have here, guys, a nice little trend line break, voila, and a lot of sellers came here. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you guys some more examples real quick. Okay, guys, we have another demand zone right here. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Now notice how this demand you see a lot of buying. We came back. Now I want to show you guys something. You see how this low, right? This looks like the last candle, but it's not. This is the last candle right here. So make sure you notice that. So what I like to do, if I see a big candle, sometimes I don't like my zone to be that big, so I just maybe do half. I like this right here, this wick right here, or even this candle right here. So we can start right here. We can start at this low, and hold on, guys. Let me see right here, rectangle. We can start at this low right here and put it to this high right here and drag it right here. Okay, let me erase this. All right, so we're going to drop down to the 5 minute, guys, and then we're going to see what we see here. All right, do we see any setups? Okay, so this is the zone. Okay, so first thing I see is the market looks like it's trying to go. Okay, we have a nice little pop right here. So this pop alone right here, you see how we have a nice buyers came in, this nice big candle. I would probably try to try my first trade right here. Okay, but notice how we have the market try to make a new low. You see how the market went up, it pulled back, right, but it made a lower low. Okay, I love these right here. It made a lower low, and then we pushed right back up. So I would probably got in. If I didn't get in right here, I definitely would get in right here. Okay, this lower low right here. Or guess what, guys, you get in this trend line break, voila. Okay, I'm giving you guys $1 million game right now, guys. I'm just giving you guys some game right now, so make sure that you take this in, write notes, because I'm giving you guys free game. Okay, free game. Okay, I'm not charging you guys for none of this stuff, so make sure that you write notes and take care and do your back test, and then go from there, guys. So but we have this nice little trend line break, boom, and you're risking this, okay, to make all this. Okay, so let's actually go to one more trade. I was going to stop this, but let's just see if I go to one more trade, guys. Okay, once again we have a lot of selling right here, guys. So the market came back to the zone. Let's go draw a zone real quick. We can draw right here, across here. So we're gonna go to drop down to the 5 minute, and we're gonna see if we see anything that allows us to. So let's see. Let's go back here. I think it's right. Okay, right here. All right, so what do we see, guys? Well, I see basically the market gyrating back and forth. So the market sold off, right? Came back. We made a new, actually a higher low right here. Okay, I love these. Okay, so a couple things I can do. I can either get in right here, okay, or I wait for the break of this low right here. So another thing I'm seeing, guys, is this right here. You see this right here? Okay, we are consolidating right here. So if we break this right here, guys, I'm getting in. Okay, so those are the two ways I would get in right here. Or okay, let's go right here, guys. What do we see? Boom, a trend line break. So I'm giving you guys some good game today, guys. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button, and make sure that you share this video, guys. Listen, if you have any questions, just feel free to type it in. Okay, if you're having problems with your trading, if you want to learn more about anything, whatever the case is, I will come back and answer your questions either through the comment or through a video. So thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please make sure you hit those like buttons, hit that subscribe button, and please have a great day.